What's going on, everybody? Just wanted to do a quick overview. This is going to be part 6 of the building teardown. This is final grading, and grass is growing on it. This is basically what the slope looks like. It's not very steep at all in comparison to what it was. They can just kind of walk up here, and that way we can kind of look down on the house as well. So, still got to put some siding on the chicken coop. This is basically the full overview. I'm gonna put a porch on here, so porch on the house over there, right off. We're gonna make it 7 feet this way. I'm actually thinking about bringing it out like maybe 4 or something, and then diagonal it over, and then bringing it out, and then connecting it with the other porch. I think it'd make it look pretty cool. So that's what I got going on, guys. Thank you all for watching, and stay tuned to my channel for the next video. Peace.